Today we learn water animals name in English and Hindi with pictures. So let's start. Turtle. Turtle means कछुआ. कछुआ. Frog. Frog means मेढक. मेढक. Fish. Fish means मछली. मछली. Crocodile. Crocodile means मगरमच्छ. मगरमच्छ. Snail. Snail means घोंघा. घोंघा. Crab. Crab means केकड़ा. केकड़ा. Octopus. Octopus means octopus. Octopus. Bear. Bear means भालू. भालू. Otter. Otter means उदबिलाव. उदबिलाव. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus means दरियाई घोड़ा. दरियाई घोड़ा. Shrimp. Shrimp means झींगा. झींगा. Seahorse. Seahorse means समुद्री घोड़ा. समुद्री घोड़ा. Seal. Seal means जल व्याघ्र. जल व्याघ्र. Oyster. Oyster means ship. Ship. Dolphin. Dolphin means dolphin. Dolphin. Penguin. Penguin means penguin. Penguin. Eel. Eel means बाम मछली. बाम मछली. Jellyfish. Jellyfish means jellyfish. Jellyfish. Stingray. Stingray means stingray. Stingray. Lobster. Lobster means झींगा मछली. झींगा मछली. Whale. Whale means whale मछली. whale मछली. Shark. Shark means shark मछली. Shark मछली. Walrus. Walrus means walrus. walrus. Snake. Snake means saap. Saap.